AMP cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.0025 a coin in a very huge manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.0025 to 0.0027, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 0.0026, which by and large is genuinely huge. The change sort of was 0.0001, 3.85% in an unpretentious way. Converse rate, USD to AMP in a significant way. AMP value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month AMP cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.0027, kind of greatest $0.0029, exceptionally least $0.0025 in an unobtrusive way. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.0027, sort of most extreme $0.0029, kind of least $0.0025, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.0026, especially most extreme $0.0028, especially least $0.0024. AMP gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.0027, essentially most extreme $0.0029, certainly least $0.0025 in an unpretentious way. AMP cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.0026, truly greatest $0.0028, by and large least $0.0024, which for the most part is very huge. In multi-week AMP conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost $0.0027, especially most extreme $0.0029, really least $0.0025, which truly is very critical. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.0027, sort of greatest $0.0029, by and large least $0.0025 in a significant manner. AMP figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.0027, lovely greatest $0.0029, kind of least $0.0025, which truly is very critical. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.0027, fundamentally greatest $0.0029, essentially least $0.0025, showing how MP cost commonly equivalent to $0.0025 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. AMP gauge on Friday, June 16, cost $0.0025, sort of most extreme $0.0027, least $0.0023, which in a real sense is very huge. In about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.0025, genuinely greatest $0.0027, in every practical sense, least $0.0023 in an unpretentious way. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.0025, extremely greatest $0.0027, really least $0.0023, which for the most part is very critical. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.0024, in every practical sense, greatest $0.0026, truly least $0.0022. By and large further appearance how MP estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.0027, most certainly greatest $0.0029, genuinely least $0.0025 in an especially significant way. AMP estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.0024, genuinely greatest $0.0026, sort of least $0.0022 in a fundamentally enormous manner. AMP cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $0.0024, most certainly greatest $0.0026, most certainly least $0.0022 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks AMP estimate on Monday, June 26, cost $0.0023, beautiful most extreme $0.0025, especially least $0.0021 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.0023, beautiful most extreme $0.0025, exceptionally least $0.0021, showing how kind of reverse rate, USD to AMP in a by and large significant manner. AMP gauge on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.0023, extremely greatest $0.0025, especially least $0.0021, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.0023. By and large greatest $0.0025, sort of least $0.0021, which truly is genuinely critical. AMP conjecture on Friday, June 30, cost $0.0023, especially greatest $0.0025, especially least $0.0021 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month AMP cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.0023, genuinely most extreme $0.0025, certainly least $0.0021, or so they in every practical sense thought. AMP figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.0023, most extreme $0.0025, exceptionally least $0.0021. So in multi-week AMP estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.0027, kind of greatest $0.0029, fundamentally least $0.0025, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to AMP conversion scale truly equivalent to 393.70 coins per $1, showing how MP gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.0027, truly greatest $0.0029, genuinely least $0.0025 in an unobtrusive way. Today, S reach 377364000, or so they especially thought. The past day, S nearby 378.79, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 14.91, plus 3.94% in an unobtrusive way. USD to AMP cost figure for in the not so distant future in month, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to AMP figure on Monday, June 5, cost 370.37 coins, extremely greatest 400.00, genuinely least 344.83, exhibiting that MP gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.0027, kind of most extreme $0.0029, especially least $0.0025, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. USD to AMP expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 370.37 coins, exceptionally greatest 400.00, least 344.83. Sort of additional appearance how MP cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.0027, sort of most extreme $0.0029. Really least $0.0025, which generally is very huge. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 384.62 coins, sort of greatest 416.67, exceptionally least 357.14, which for the most part is very huge. USD to AMP expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 370.37 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 400.00, least 344.83 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 384.62 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 416